Today we are going to start chapter number 2, the components of food. You know that we get the energy to do any kind of work from the food we eat. Food is therefore the fuel which is burned to give us energy. Have you ever wondered that what is food made up of? For this the answer is the nutrients. So you have to see that what are the nutrients, what are the major components that are included in the nutrients. So first of all, nutrients, food contains 7 essential components that we need to live and grow. These are basically nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. We will discuss one by one every nutrient you have to need. These nutrients are essential for your life, like you can save your life by consuming these. First of all, we'll discuss the carbohydrates. You can see here some are the sources of carbohydrates like milk, bread, bananas, roots, and tubers provide us the carbohydrates. So some sugary and jaggery and some cereals also provide us with the carbohydrates. So you need to take fixed amount of carbohydrate in your daily life so you will be healthy and nutritious. So you have to take in account that how much carbohydrates you are consuming in your everyday life. So the next one is protein. So what are the sources of protein? Here you can see the fish, eggs, chicken, sprouts, nuts, almonds, lentils, oats, milk, yogurt, and different seeds are the sources of protein. So you have to balance your diet with the protein, and you have to take in account that how much of protein you are consuming in your everyday life, and you have to make a chart that which protein content you are taking in your per day life. So you can use these ingredients for the sake of protein, and you can complete your protein diet. So here at the one side are some like oily products, and at the next side you can see there are some grains. So you can divide it into two parts, like the oily products or the green products, and you have to learn that what exactly are the sources of proteins. So the next one are the first class protein and the second class protein. The proteins we are getting from animals are the first class proteins, and the proteins we are getting from the plants are the second class proteins. For example, first class proteins are chicken, fish, eggs, milk, and whey proteins. And in the second class protein, for example, there are peanut butter, lentils, nuts, grains, and soy. So next are the foods. Fat, that what are the foods that are high in fat? For example, sources of the fat are fatty meats like fish, cheese, butter, avocado, nuts, seeds, and the chocolates. So you can take these, and you will be aware of that what are the good and the bad fats. Like the good fats are the fats that are liquid at room temperature. Their texture is usually oil. They are found in plant products. And the bad fats are the fats that are solid at room temperature, and they are usually in the oils or the plants. So the good fat is good just because it is high levels of HDL, high density lipoprotein, and these are good cholesterol levels in the body. And the second one is bad just because it causes high levels of LDL, low density lipoprotein, that is bad. So these bad cholesterol levels in the body, so that's why it is bad. So there are some sources, like for the good there are some olives, avocados, peanuts, and for the bad one there are some sources like beef, lamb, and butter. So you have to memorize what are the good fat and what are the bad fats, and you must be aware of the comparison between them. So if I am giving you a question that what are the good fats and bad fats, you must be able to answer that what are the good and the bad fats. Majorly I repeated that good fats are good just because they causes high levels of HDL, that is high density lipoprotein, that's why they are good. And the bad one are the bad because they causes high levels of LDL, low density lipoprotein. So you have to memorize all of this, that what is the HDL, what is the LDL, and what are the sources of the good and the bad fat. So here you need to know that what is the calories. Calorie is a unit of energy. You need to burn different amount of energy, like fat, like 1 gram of the fat is equal to 9 calories, and 1 gram of protein is just equal to 4 calories, and 1 gram of carbohydrate is equal to 4 calories. So the task is you have to draw a chart and quote the carbohydrates, protein and fats which you have consumed in one day. So you have to make this chart, and I will check it and will review on this. So thank you.